Guys, this is the underneath of a Heat-N-Glo vented fireplace. As you see, it's identify your ports. Ignitor, watch your pilot. There. Pilot generator wires here. You have a remote to do the two outside terminals, TH terminals, TP's Thermopile, pilot line, on, off, and pilot. This is where you go to watch your pilot. Just twist the knob, lines up with the red button, hold it in, hit your ignitor. Once your pilot's lit, hold it for about 20 seconds. And off of it, the pilot stays lit. Line it up with the red mark if you've got one. To on. And then you got your on-off toggle switch. Flip it on. And your burner and all should come on. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. One other thing we'll continue to talk about the shut-off valve for your gas line. In line is on. If it be crossways, it'll be off. And then this would be your variable fan. As you can hear, the fan kind of goes high and low as you twist it. It's kind of where you want it. Up inside there, you see the thermal disc right there. That's going to heat up, which makes your fan come off and on. So if your fan's not coming on, be sure to check that. They're probably going to go bad. This is on a Heat-N-Glo unit. Thanks everybody. Like, subscribe to the channel.